And welcome back to our creative YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about what is the watch table and host table. Okay, so inside your project tray there are two tables inside the watch and host table folder. One is your host table and one is watch table. So let's see how they are looks like. We'll open one watch table and in the parallel window I'll open one post table and watch table. Okay, so this is my post table on the left side and right side my watch table. You can read this path also. So we have opened the PLC simulator and downloaded this project. Okay, so we won't repeat this step because we already discussed those steps in the previous session. So mainly we use this post table for the maintenance purpose related to the hardware field input side. Okay, to maintenance the field devices inputs. For that we will use the force table, and what table we'll use for the program diagnostic purpose or program maintenance purpose, like some you are not getting some memory inputs, you want to modify that memory words, or you want to modify the data inside the memory. For that purpose we will use the word table. Okay, to testing your logic, PLC logic. Okay, for that we will use word table, but for the field side physical maintenance purpose we require host table. So let's see with the example. So I want to forcing my I 0.0 here, and also I want to watch my I 0.0 status here, whatever. Sorry. Okay, so I have to two input same I 0.0 address. One is in host table and one is watch table. So as you can see, I have entered I 0.0, but in the host table you are seeing the P, column P for peripheral. Okay, so in previous session we have discussed like how PLC reading the input. So first of all we have to read. First of all we have to understand the memory structure of the PLC, how PLC reading the input. So for that, let me open the paint. So let's say example, I am taking one block. This is my okay. This is my PLC CPU. PLC, or I can say CPU. Okay. The PLC having some different separate memory for the input, output, for the timer, for the counter, and for the communication process. Okay. So in this session we want to discuss about the process image input memory and for the output memory. So this is your PLC input memory. So this is my PLC input output card for the output. So let me take one another block for the hardware PLC module, PLC input module, and this is my PLC output module. This is my PLC output card or module. And here you will connect your sensor, read sensor, okay, or any switches, or you can connect your push button here. So the physical input will connect to your PLC input card, and there is a bus connector between input card and PLC. So those will transfer the data from input card to the PLC memory. So this is called the peripheral input. We can say this is the peripheral input. Okay, so here your physical output will be connected. So this is my one of lamp. Sorry for the imperfect drawing. So this is my output device, will connect directly to the output module, and inside this PLC we have PLC program. So this is my PLC step. Okay, so what you will do, you will force the input till you will purchase the new limit switch. Okay, because you have to run your machine anyhow, so you want physical input present, but your limit switch is damaged. So for that, what you will do, you will force the input and run your machine. So this is the application of force table. And if you want to modify the inputs, or if you want to modify the memory bit like M0.0, so that can be modified with the help of watch table. So these are the two different, the main you can remember, or you can write down in your note, that watch table used for only the PLC memory portion. We can't use the force button, but to modify the PLC memory bits or PII area or PIQ area, we'll use the watch table. But to modify the hardware input, we'll use the force table. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next session. Okay, thank you.